Built in 1929 in the original Art Deco style, the tip-top lofts are one of Toronto's most recognizable condo buildings. I'm Tracy Logan with the High Park Real Estate Group, and I'm excited to show you our latest listing in the tip-top lofts building. Welcome to Unit 230. This loft features 2 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, has an outdoor terrace, which is a rarity in this building, also has parking and a locker. And did I mention, this particular loft has been upgraded from top to bottom. One of the greatest features in this authentic loft building, and in this loft in particular, is the 13 feet soaring ceilings with the exposed concrete. This kitchen has been beautifully updated with quartz countertops, a subway backsplash, brand new stainless steel appliances, extra cupboard space, and a handy sit-up counter bar. This spacious master has plenty of room for a king-size bed. It also features a double closet and a decadent 4-piece ensuite with a soaker tub. We also have a den or an office space attached, and that walks out to the balcony. As I already mentioned, this terrace is such a bonus in this building. This one is spacious, and there's lots of room to include your barbecue. This spacious second bedroom also features a double closet. This stylish second bathroom features a stand-up shower with a subway tile surround, as well as sliding glass doors. This building features a host of amenities: 24-hour security and concierge, fully equipped gym and yoga studio, a hot tub, jacuzzi, and sauna, an outdoor garden terrace, and a barbecue area, as well as a visitor's lounge. Thank you for joining us on our tour of the tip-top lofts. If you have any questions or would like to organize a showing, feel free to reach out to us.